How to create Reddit community. If you want to create community on Reddit, it's very simple. Open your browser and go to reddit.com and then just make sure to log into your account. Then after you've done that, on the left hand side you can see this option called communities. So you can simply go to this option that says create a community and then just click on it. Then when you go to create a community, here you'll find the option to tell us about the community. So what you have to do here is just simply enter a community name and simply type in the description about the community. Then when you've done that, you can simply click the next button and you can just go ahead and then try to enter other respective details about the community over here. So for example, you can choose a style like a banner or an icon. You can go to next, you can add some topics about what your community is about, and then after that your community will be successfully created by just clicking on the create community button. And of course you can choose to customize any of the rules that you have based on your own needs. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.